Hello guys, this video show you how to use the parse mode in the send message step in Telegram chatbot. So by click on this link, you can jump to their documentation. So they have 3 different formatting options: Markdown version 2, HTML, and Markdown style. So there are example here. You can copy this example and read the notes about here. So if you encounter any issue like some format is not working, you can always come back to this documentation to check about the notes here. Alright, and then copy some example. Now the one I make here is I will show firstly some text in different formats. I've also put an inline URL here. So this click URL will become something like a button, and when user click on that, they can jump to the URL link that I provided here. And another feature they provide you with is by putting a user ID here, user can click on the talk to agent button and jump to another contact. So in this way, it's like you are assigning agents to a specific customer. For how to get user ID for your agent, so remember we've talked to bot father before, and this is where you get your API key, and at the same time they give you a link to talk to your bot, so you can send this link to your agent and let your agent talk to your bots. After that, in the bot user, you're able to see your agent to be one of your bot users here. Click on them and you will find the user ID right here. Click on the ID to copy it, and you can put it in a bot fields. Right, save in agent ID, and then you will be able to put the ID right here. Okay, let's test it. Now I can see that I have normal text, bold text, italic text, underline, strike through, everything here. And I have a click URL button. Let me click on it. Do you want to open this URL link? And when I click talk to agent, I jump to this agent and I can start the conversation with the agent. Alright, that's how you use the parse mode in your Telegram chatbot. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.